video sponsored by Interplay Learning, simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures, beginning to advanced courses available, a fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount, link and promo code in description below.
This video sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
That's an odd gas valve. Look at that. That's a weird one. Anyway, she wants me to check it out, make sure everything's okay with it. Clean the burners and stuff, I guess. The feeder seems to be okay. Dark down here. Definitely dark down here. I want to check the burners. This is a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. It's a Utica. It's got round burners on this boiler. It's got round burners, yeah. Electronic spark. It's an odd beast. It's an odd beast. Yeah, the burners look fine. It's all nice and clean, no soot. That's good. You don't see many of them like that with electronic spark on there. I'll tell you right now. You don't see many like that. I'm gonna take them out, brush them down. They're not bad. They've been cleaned before. Gonna make sure these stay clean, these fins. I got them labeled. They're all nice and clean. Make sure nothing's burnt. Just a little bit of sediment come out of them, but they're all nice and they're in good shape. They're not all burnt, so that's good. There's a slot in the back there. You gotta get it right in the slot. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. Make sure you get them in there with the burners facing up. Make sure you This is an odd beast, this valve. I think I replaced this before. I think that's what I replaced. I just want to make sure those burners were clean. Gas sensor and sparker, that's what it was. That was back in 11. Wow. That was a while ago. You can see the burners weren't that dirty. I had to turn it up, but must be off on limit. Yeah, it's off on high limit. No, it's not calling. This is zone valves. Yeah, the zone valves takes 90 seconds for them to call. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Zone valves takes 90 seconds for it to call. Oh, 06. None of them are calling. Oh, we got some water there. That ain't good. Looks like that zone head's leaking. That ain't good. That's gonna have to be replaced. See all that water in there? The zone valve's leaking. This thing is full of water. Alright, I turned up the heat. I just want to make sure it fires before I go. I'm going to have to come back for that later today when I get more time. Come back and drain the system down and change out that zone valve because it is definitely leaking. I want to make sure she fires up before I go. Might be off on limit too, so. Yeah, it's off on high limit. I'm just gonna run it until it fires. I have an odd place to have it, but like I said, I gotta come back. She's got 2 thermostats upstairs and 2 downstairs. This thing's full of water. I got quite a few other emergencies I gotta take care of and come back for that. How's my best buddy? How's Miss Molly? Huh? You love Daddy. You love Daddy. Miss Molly.